Hi and welcome to the Unquendor Guitars Workshop. My name is Daniel and this is another video in the series where I'm building a commissioned custom guitar. In this episode I'm going to at least apply the finish, so several coats of hard wax oil, and finish it off with cut and polish and microcrystalline wax and buff this entire guitar out to a relatively high shine. And maybe if we're lucky in this episode, my client can join me here in the workshop for the final assembly of his guitar and we'll get it to a playable instrument. And here she is, all nice and done, and isn't this an absolutely stunning guitar? I'm very, very pleased how this one turned out. During final assembly and first setup of this guitar, as part of his custom guitar experience, my client was present here in the workshop to witness his guitar come to life, so to say. And that's why I don't have a lot of footage of the final assembly of this guitar, but I'm sure I have plenty videos on my channel that shows my process of assembling and setting up the guitar for the first time. So yeah, I'm going to check this guitar for one last time, make sure she's set up to absolute perfection before I put her in her case and call my client so he can come and pick her up and enjoy this guitar for many years to come. I do hope you liked this video, and if you did, of course, let me know by leaving a like, leaving a comment, and if you got some value from my videos, you can use the super thanks button underneath this video to show me your support and help me to keep making these videos. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload something new. It really helps me out. And that said, I hope to see you all in the next video, but until then, have a nice week.